Understanding the structural components of Retable is the key to unlocking its full potential, enabling you to customize and scale your business solutions with precision. At the heart of Retable's platform are dashboard, workspaces, projects, and tables, the building blocks that allow you to construct a database tailored to your specific requirements. Now let's take a look at Retable's structural components one by one. Retable's dashboard is a central interface for accessing and managing all your workspaces, projects, and data within Retable. It helps organize and navigate through various tasks and datasets efficiently. When you log into Retable, you will be greeted by your dashboard. You can easily access your workspace and projects within your dashboard. You can also find the other helpful resources that Retable offers you from the menu in the header of your dashboard. At the upper right corner of your dashboard, there's a redirect to the Account Settings area, where you can manage all your user settings. Workspaces are collaborative areas within Retable where teams can organize and manage related projects. Workspaces help to organize different types of projects or tasks based on the topic or department. You can imagine workspaces as folders where you can organize your work. If you wish, you can create separate workspaces for all departments in your company, or you can categorize specific works and manage them in different workspaces. Upon accessing your dashboard, you'll notice that Retable has already generated a workspace for you with a few sample projects in it. You can use them as samples. Retable's project consists of one or more tables that are related to a specific task or objective within a workspace. Projects allow for detailed organization and focused collaboration on specific goals. Each project provides a comprehensive set of tools and views to help teams track progress, allocate resources, and manage data. From the dashboard, you can create a new project by selecting the Add Project option directly in your workspaces. When you enter a project in Retable, you'll see a table with rows and columns, known as a grid view. Tables are the fundamental data storage structures in Retable, where information is organized in rows and columns. Tables can be customized with various field types to suit the data's nature. You can have more than one table in a project. To add tables, just use the tab panel above the project toolbar. Simply put, a project is a place where you can have many tables, and a workspace is a place where you can have many projects. There's a Views panel on the left side of each Retable table. In Retable, views are more than just ways to look at or store your data. Retable data views are tailored lenses that help you visualize, understand, and interact with your data in different formats, each serving a distinct purpose based on your needs. Each view provides different ways to display your data within Retable, such as grid, calendar, Kanban, or form views. Understanding the basics of Retable will make managing your data a breeze. Now let's move on to the next lesson, where we'll explore each component in detail and uncover the wonderful possibilities Retable has in store for you.